Okay, so we're having a few issues here. So that chain tensioner bolt right there was stripped out. I couldn't get it, so I just screwed on another nut. What I'm going to do is I'm going to take that little welder, Harbor Freight welder over there. I'm going to weld this nut here and here. See if I can get enough on it to be able to back this out. The other one came out nice and easy. Sorry about this dang camera strap. So that's the goal. Let's see how she goes. Okay, here we go. Alright, so got her welded. Give it a little chance to cool off and not be so brittle. And then we'll see what we can do. Okay, before I try breaking it free, I went and cooled her off a little bit. I'm going to spray some of this LPS on it. It's Ultimate Penetrant. See if I can maybe get it in there enough to, you know, help out any. And she's welded pretty good. So that's sit for a second. See if we can get any movement on it. She's moving. Looky there. So that's how you remove a stuck chain tensioner bolt. Take a nut, same size as this, screw it up. What I actually did was I cut the end of this off because it was stripped off with a little Dremel. Screwed a nut the same size right to the end, left about 1/8 of an inch, and filled that with a weld, a wire feed welder. And then I put a couple tacks here as well. Let it sit, cooled off, hit it with a little dose of water, and then put some penetrant on it. She came right out.